This is Lakshya Mittal, and I'm from IIT Guwahati. I've been thinking so long that on which stuff should I make my next video. So I decided that we recently had a scavenger hunt program, so I thought I should make a video on that and tell you about my experience and how I felt during that scavenger hunt. So let me first tell you what scavenger hunt is. Scavenger hunt is basically a fun event organized by ECEL of IIT Guwahati, and it's basically you have to they give you clues to reach a particular place, and when you reach to that place, then you get more and more clues, you get more and more tasks which you have to do in order to get to the final destination. And that destination and at reaching that destination, you'll be getting amazing gifts and amazing prizes. So that is a team game, and the teams are allotted randomly. This game usually, thanks to Corona, it was organized online this time, but usually it is organized in the campus only. And the basic aim or motto to organize this game is to make the freshers aware of the college and the places that college has. So when you play this game, you come to know a lot more about colleges, because when you get to the wrong clue and you take your cycles to that place and you find that the clue is wrong or right, then you come to know more about the places, how to reach that place. So that's way it's organized. But this time it was all online, but thanks to our seniors, they made us enjoy a lot in that game, even though it was online. They made Discord servers, they made WhatsApp groups, they make Instagram groups, Facebook groups, and many more such groups in which we had to play that game. On Discord channel, they made many things like task submission channel, voice channel, doubt clearing channel, Mind Palace, where you can get the clue, or where you get stuck, you can get the answer to the question that you get, the riddle that you get. So there were many such things, and it was organized, it was sponsored by Fast Track. So I'll be telling you about all that from the beginning. So let's get started. So scavenger hunt is basically a team event, and the teams are being allotted randomly. In my team, we were 5 people. We were from engineering physics, 2 from mechanical, 1 from CSE, and 1 from MNC. The team was really amazing. Firstly, I was skeptical that I might get a team which is not really interested in playing, because many people are more into studies and they do not want to get indulged into these activities. But when I had a meeting with all that members, I was really happy to know that they were also interested in playing the game as much as I was. So that was a great part, because we generally do not meet people who are really interested in playing games and all. I just thought ki people have given their names to, just for the sake of giving it. They do not have any spirit of playing the game, but all of them had a full spirit of playing the game. And we played for at least approximately 6 to 7 hours. Like we started from 12 and we ended at 5:50 approx. So that was about our game. But yeah, I will tell you from the beginning. The theme reveal of scavenger hunt was also in a way to find the riddle. Like we were given a riddle on our Instagram IDs. For that, we have to get an Instagram ID, but I think everyone has that now. After J Advance, all of them have made their Instagram IDs. So we got an Instagram riddle, and on that riddle we have to solve that riddle, and then we have to find a particular name and then search the name of the ID in Instagram of the answer to the riddle that we got, and then it would lead to another page, and then it will give us another riddle, then another solutions. That was about the theme reveal, and it was around 3 riddles that we had to solve. It was three, I guess. Loch Ness, Truth Spoken, There were two riddles that we had to solve in order to get to the final answer. So the final answer was Sherlock Holmes. The theme was revealed. We were quite, skeptical about whether we need to read Sherlock Holmes or not, or watch the movies. But the senior said that it is nothing related to it. It's just the theme, and you'll be able to solve the riddles even when you don't know anything about the theme. So we were happy because we were quite busy in the quizzes and all, and we didn't have time to read the books and watch movies. But still, I had watched the movie in order to catch more hold of the riddle, if in case the riddle is quite tricky. So that was about the theme reveal. Then they had told us to post it on our Instagram IDs. So that was a bit of promotion part. Then they gave the date. It was on last Sunday. I think it was 13th December. It was a fun event, and I really enjoyed it a lot. Initially, we got a riddle, which was very tricky because we had to solve the equations. I thought that we had to solve the equations. We were given many 9.6 ml and many more such stuffs which we used to solve in JEE. So I thought that I had to really solve them in order to get the answer done. But one of our team members suggested that actually it was given many elements name. So it was suggested, and one of us came with the idea that it is Khokha Gate, because AG for silver. I'll post a screenshot of that riddle in this video only, so you can have a look at it. The answer was Khokha Gate. So we came to know about Khokha Gate, that it is a fun place, and we can go there for our cycle repairing and have tea and samosas there. That was about Khokha. Then we were given a task in which we had to make I think we had to make a poster on surrogate marketing, which was, our topic was broadband. So we made a poster on that. I'll also post the poster which we had made. It was a team of effort, and we enjoyed a lot doing that. Then actually initially we thought that what are we going to get the next riddle, what riddle we are going to get next. But all of a sudden we got something which we were not expecting at all. We got how to make a poster, and we were really disappointed कि हमें poster वगैरह बनाना पड़ेगा. So that was about that. But then we went to the task submission channel and submitted our poster. And then we got our next set of riddle. The answer to it was very, very, very tricky. Like we spent it around 2 hours, 1.5 hours on that riddle. First we thought for 45 minutes ki answer kya hoga, and then we, in the end, after losing 2 times, we thought that we should go to the Mind Palace to get the answer to our riddle. Then we waited at the Mind Palace, and somehow there was some issue in our Discord channel, so we couldn't connect to them, and it wasted another 30 minutes. But it's okay, everyone was quite calm and happy कि that even that हम खेल तो रहे हैं at least. So they were not thinking कि we might lose. So that was not a thinking in our team. Then we got the answer to the riddle, and that was viewpoint. We really didn't realize how we got to the answer, because viewpoint was really difficult to guess. But but the next day, when I was just scrolling the riddles again, I realized that it was really easy. We just have to unscramble the words, that's it. And it was just 5 minutes work if we had thought really carefully. But that's okay, our mind does not work every time. So that was about viewpoint, and we realized and we got to know that viewpoint is a place where you can have luxurious have a very pleasant time with your friends. And after that we got I think we got advertisement on Ola Oscar. We got an advertisement on Ola Oscar. We had no idea about what Ola Oscar is. Of course, we had an idea about Ola, but not about Ola Oscar. So then we searched on Google about what is Ola Oscar, and then we finally managed to make a poster on it. I'll post that as well. And then the third riddle was ECell. So ECell, the organizing committee, the riddle was about ECell, and it was pretty easy. We could just guess it in 1 minute, and then we submitted our task, and then we got another task which was related to memes making, and that memes should be in the favor of the company that we were given. We were given Microsoft, Windows, and Apple. So we have to make a meme on that company so as to promote the company's companies, products and all. So we made a meme that would also I'll post on this. And then after we got the riddle, which was Children's Park. That too, it was very easy. We could guess it in 5 minutes, and we were really happy that we are quite near to our winning position. So then after that we got something that we have to find. We have to hear the audio clips, and then we have to guess the product name. That was also easy by teamwork, because some people solved some particular kind of questions, and we could just get through it. And then the last event, we were quite not sure about whether we will win or not, but we tried to the last moment. It was we received a mail that we can play the game till 5 p.m. Like the tasks will be given till 5, and we have to submit all the things by the end of the day. We had almost one riddle left, and we thought that everything is like almost all the people have completed their riddles, but still we played in a slightest of hope that we might win. So we got the fifth riddle, which was I think fifth riddle was, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Our fifth riddle was Children's Park, and our fourth riddle was Lecture Hall. Sorry, our fourth riddle was Lecture Hall. We got Lecture Hall as the fourth riddle. It was also we lost 2 times in that. We made mistakes 2 times in that Lecture Hall, but in the end we could guess it. And then in the very end, we were allotted a task in which we had to make videos to promote Fast Track. It was a team event, team video, and all of us were quite enthusiastic about making the video. So we made a video, and I'll attach that video at the end of this video. We enjoyed a lot overall in this scavenger hunt, and I wish and I plead to the seniors that they please organize it again once we are back into the campus. Please organize कर दो इसे दोबारा से, because we had a lot of fun online, and I could not imagine the kind of fun we are going to have if it is offline. So please do it. And about our team, it was really nice, a fabulous team I had got, and they were really cooperative. We had a lot of fun, and even if we do not win, we do not worry about that. At least we had a lot of fun. And there was no one in the team who was really कि अब तो चलते हैं, हो गया, छोड़ो, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. They had a positive approach overall, and I would like to thank my seniors for giving such an amazing game to play, because we were quite we had a hectic schedule. We had a lot of quizzes. We had 5 quizzes in this week, and we were quite fed up with those things. So it gave a freshen up thing to us, and we felt really amazing after playing this game. And I'd not played this type of game in my life ever, because like I had always imagined, I'd watched Student of the Year, and I thought that this would be like that, and it was more than that. It was seriously more than that. It was such a nice game organized by you. But एक बार है, please इसे दोबारा organize कर देना, please. So that was it. it was all about what I wanted to say about scavenger hunt. I enjoyed a lot, and that's it. Thank you.